Hey guys, what's going on? So today is another video day, but guys, this time it's a tutorial how and which is the best game to play on Roblox, like the Dragon Ball. You guys know Dragon Ball, most of you know it's really popular on the YouTube, internet and stuff, and most of you watch it. And other games like Naruto, Call of Duty Black Ops, which you can see my friends activity, other things. And yeah, so today I'm gonna show you which is the best Dragon Ball game you can play on Roblox, the best one. Some of you guys know, now you know my face even. And yeah, the guys, like some of you being like, I saw on internet comments and some people like say, hey, I can't join, it's not working, my game crashes. But the game which I'm gonna show you on Roblox, the Dragon Ball, it's not gonna crash. It's not that much good. Like I'm saying, you can go Super Saiyan God in that game, yeah, but you need to have a lot of power and other stuff. So I'm gonna make tutorial on that video even. So guys, actually this video is uploading. See, like another video I'm uploading. Wait, give me a second. 0 of 1 uploaded YouTube and stuff. So it's uploading, and when it will be done, I'm gonna show you the things, like the things which we can freaking what it's called do in that video, like sorry about that, I can't speak that English that quick. Like in this video, like that video which is uploading right over there, you can see in that video I'm gonna do I am playing some Skywars and having some fun in Minecraft. I know most of you know Minecraft. See, I got second, preparing to upload, publish, preparing to upload. Okay, I don't know what the heck is this now, but yeah, this is my video. Boss plays, yeah, this one. No, we don't need this one, we don't need this one. 85% uploaded. See this, we are gonna do like this. Okay, see, this is the video which is coming, Skywars episode 1, and we are gonna do some Skywars. Okay, so today's video, let's get straight into it. So guys, today I'm gonna show you the link. I'm gonna put the link in the description. Okay, just click on the link. You don't need to go www.roblox.com and sign in and other stuff. Just go on this game. This game is the best game to play. You have no crashes, no bug issues. You can just enter your name, just go hump in, play and enjoy. Let me show you. Just click on this game. Give me a second. It takes a little time though, because the video is even uploading, so give me a second. Okay, I'm gonna put this in the new link so it can open fast, because it's taking a little bit of time. The first one is this, Dragon Ball Legendary Powers. Okay, now it's uploading. See, okay, we don't need this link now. And the other one is, I'm gonna show you the top 3. Okay, so top 3 which you can play, and there are no crashes and other stuff, so you can play, enjoy. So this is the game, update Dragon Ball Legendary Power, read disc. And yeah, see, these are all the description. This is a fighting game based on enemy, and remove this and this and hockey, add infinite Zenny game pass, added a new cell games arena, added a new ATC, add new buildings and see, bug fix, change SSJ's hairs. Cell now has wings, and that weird head thing. Remove the age limit, can no longer use multiplayer move. One visit and created on this time, and max blood trials when fighting. Okay, so you can see these all game badges and other stuff. This is, on my opinion, the best one. And yeah, there are a lot of good comments on that. And the other one you can go is wait guys, this one, Ascended SSJ4 link. I'm not gonna click on that because it's gonna take time to load. I'm just showing you guys this one. And the reveal of no, not the reveal of F, sorry, the Revolutions, Dragon Ball Revolutions, this one. And other is one of the best, but I'm gonna put this top 3 in the video, this Ascended SSJ4 and Revolution, Dragon Ball Revolution. But another good, the 4th one is Zenkai Burst or something like that. I'm gonna put the link to that even. Just go visit all the sites and tell me in the comments which is the best one, guys. Okay, but my opinion, this is the best one which I play. Okay, so make sure guys thumbs up if you do, please. And yeah, I see you guys in my next video. For now, good bye.